Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download SafePal crypto wallet on your iOS device. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. Make sure you have a secure internet connection, and let's head towards the app called App Store, which is a familiar blue icon. In the search bar above, just type in SafePal. In the second one, here you go. You can find out the screenshots and reviews in the app section. Click on the Get to start the download process. It may ask for your ID verification, either with the Touch ID or Face ID. Just verify your identity, and here you go, the download process has been started. Just wait for a few minutes, and after the app has been installed, click on Open, and the safe file is now at your fingertips. You can set all your notifications so that you get updated about the cryptos and many more. Okay, this much for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.